the question number 10 is cosec inverse minus of root 2, right? Cosec inverse minus of root 2. We know cosec pi by 4 is equals to root 2, right? So we'll put this in a bracket. So in second line, cosec inverse minus of cosec pi by 4, right? And the one formula we also know that cosec minus of theta is equals to minus cosec theta. So here we'll put here in this bracket cosec inverse cosec minus of pi by 4. Now check the range of the cosec inverse. Range is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 where 0 is not included. So here we will check minus pi by comes between the range of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So we'll write here in this. After cancelling out, we'll get the answer minus pi by 4. So here is the answer of question number 10. Let's move on to question number 11. So question number 11. Question number 11 is tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Now we'll solve this whole equation one by one. We know that tan inverse and tan pi by 4 above we have seen the value of 1, which is tan pi by 4 is equals to 1. So we'll put here in the bracket tan pi by 4. Now for the second, cos inverse minus of and cos 60 value is equals to 1 by 2, right? So we can write minus of cos pi by 3 and sine 30 value is equals to 1 by 2. So sine inverse bracket sine minus sine pi by 6. Okay. Now in the next line, now check the range of the all the parts. Range of tan is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, right? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And range of cos is from 0 to pi. And range of cos inverse, sorry, put their inverse here. And sine inverse is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And from above the question, earlier question, you also know that sine minus theta is equals to minus sine theta. And here cos inverse, so we'll change cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta, we know that cos pi minus theta, we know that minus of cos theta. So according to this, we will solve the question. So if you want to note it down the range and check this, you can here note it down. I am putting it into the bracket. So let's move on. So cancel out. Tan pi by 4 is in the range of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So cancel out so that we can simplify this. So in the next line, pi by 4 from here and cos inverse cos pi minus pi by 3. And for sine minus theta, and put in the bracket of minus theta, and we will directly write plus minus pi by 6 directly. Space is not here. Let's erase it so that I can solve into the next page. Wait a second. Now, where were we? Pi by 4 plus cos inverse cos of pi minus pi by 3 minus of pi by 6. Now we will solve this. Cos inverse cos pi by we can write is 3 pi after taking LCM 3 pi minus pi, which is equals to 2 pi by 3. So from here we can write pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 6. Now we will take the LCM of 4, 3, 6. And those who don't know how to take LCM, we will take here 4, 3, 6. 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2. So 2, 3, 6 and 12. So the LCM will be 12. So from here 4, 3, 3 pi, 8 pi minus 2 pi after taking LCM. So 8, 3, 11 pi minus 2 pi, 9 pi by 12. 9 pi by 12. Cut these 3 pi by 4. So the answer for the question number 11 is 3 pi by 4. So question number 13 is given: if sine inverse x is equals to y, then we know the range of the sine inverse, right? Solution. We know the range of the sine inverse, which is equals to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, closed bracket. So we can write also y as pi by 2 minus pi by 2 less than. We will put the equals to sign because the bracket is closed, and you can tick on the option B. Now let's move on to question number 14. Let's erase this. So let me check what is question number 14. Question number 14 is tan inverse root 3 minus sec inverse minus of 2. We know the value of tan root 3 is equals to pi by 3, and tan sec 2 is also pi by 3. So we'll put here in the bracket tan inverse tan pi by 3, which is equals to tan 60 degree minus sec inverse minus of sec pi by 3. So I have told you earlier in cos, sec and cot. Let me write it here. Cos inverse, sec inverse and cot inverse. We'll put pi minus theta. Okay. So that pi minus theta is equals to minus cos theta. Sec pi minus theta is minus sec theta. So tan inverse tan pi by 3 minus of sec inverse sec pi minus pi by 3. Now from here we can write pi by 3 because we know that it is in the range, minus taking the LCM here 3 pi minus pi, which is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. Solving here 3 and pi minus 2 pi, which is minus of pi by 3. So the solution of answer of the question number 14 is minus of pi by 3. You can tick to the option number B. Now for further question, let's move on to another video.